What's going on, guys? Scoop P back again with another video. And today, what I want to talk about is just from a normal retail trader. I am a normal retail trader that's in the market. I trade mostly zero DTE options. Sometimes I will do swing trades, and I do have a long term portfolio that I haven't really talked about here. But if you want to hear anything about that, please let me know. I can make a video about that too. And I'm also averaging inside of crypto. So I buy Bitcoin every week. So if you want to know a little bit about that journey as well, let me know and I'll make a video about that as well. But what I want to talk about today is my October, my monthly gains for October. How much did I make? Did I make anything? Did I lose anything? Did I blow my account for October? So my last video, I did like I think the last week or two of October, and I was really up. I had a good win percentage. I was up, and now I want to show you guys what happened at the end of the month. So as you can see here, I'm using once again TradeZilla. I'll put a link in the description for this software below. For me, it is very valuable. It helps me track every trade that I take. I have it tagged. I have it categorized. It gives me a lot of data of showing if I should have stayed in the trade a little longer. So it can help me be confident the next time I take the same setup. So I trade the strategy called the strat. So it's a series of numbers on the candles. So I'll go over that a little bit. And if you guys want a video of that, please let me know as well in the description. But what I want to talk about is my October. So as you can see here at the top, I have my October 1st through October 31st. I trade in Webull, and then I take all of the transactions and place them here into TradeZilla. But as you can see, for the month of October, I was down $9. So $9 on the month. As you can see here, I took 21 trades. So I don't trade. I mean, that's if you get 20 trading days in a month, I took on average one trade a day, right? So I mean, I don't take a lot of trades. I had to get rid of that. Like I think I averaged between 20 to 25 trades. My trade win percentage was 71, so pretty good. I took 15 winners and 6 losers. But you're saying here, Scoot, Sean, how are you at -$9 if you had 15 winners and 6 losers? The answer is I don't hold my winners long enough and I let my losers run too long. And that's why I always say that trading is mental. As soon as I see a little profit, sometimes I take it. Sometimes when I see red or I'm in a drawdown, I let it sit too long because I have hopium, right? I hope the trade will come back. And a lot of times the trade doesn't come back. So as you can see here, we have 15 winners, 6 losers. Profit factor is a 0.98, and that needs to be above 1 to show a profitable trading system. So that's what's going on. So my day win percentage, so out of the total training days, 78. Average win to loss. So like you can see right here, right? So as you can see here, my average winner is $30. My average loser is 76 because I'm holding them too long. If you look at the Zella score, I have a pretty good win percentage, but the profit factor is low. Consistency, max drawdown, all of that is low, right? Let's go down here, and you can see some of the tickers that I trade. Let's go to the important things. Go to the calendar. Look at this. Look at the first 3 weeks. First 3 weeks of the month, I was up like 215 or so, right? So I'm up like 215 on the month. I'm killing it, guys. I'm killing it. Like, and look at the third week, 158 $158. Killing it, man. So I'm thinking what I want to do now. I'm thinking what a new goal, and I'll probably make a video on this. Is to do just. I mean, I have a okay size account, but I want to do $50 a day. That is my goal. Or one trade or 2 trades max, $50 a day. But as you can see here, killing it this week. Like I was really proud of this week. And look at this third week. If you look at this fourth week, it was 5 weeks in this month. I took 2 trades, lost both, and I think I was revenge trading. And you probably can see it once I go into the my journal and what I track. I can already tell I was revenge trading this day. I shouldn't even took that second trade. I shouldn't even took it. I should have just kept it at 1. And let's see what trades were. The first trade I took was, if you look here, first trade I took was at 9:42 in the morning. It was a put on IWM. I lost 30%, $31. That's manageable. That should have been it. I'm out $30. I should have been done for the day. But I really don't even remember this, right? Why did I hop in a XPX call? Maybe because of the team that I'm joining. But look at this, not down $90, down $90, and I think I can go look at it. I put 2 stars on it. Yes, it was with the group that I trade in. It was a 6 hour, so it was a 6 hour XPX trade. So that's why. That's why. So anyways, back on that, and we can get into that a little later too. But then, so I'm down $33 on the week. Not bad, right? Going into week 5, first day up $32, one trade. Look at this right here. This is what killed me. This day right here, I took 2 trades, lost both, and lost $244. And then on the 29th, I took one trade, made 14. Took one trade, lost 63. $244. It was this one's at 10:30 in the morning. It's an IWM call. I lost 56% of the trade, and I should never let a trade go this low. And it looks like I sized in pretty heavily too. So if we look at it, I took 5 contracts. So as you can see here, 5 contracts. Things like around $335, and I lost 190 of those dollars. And it was a call. Let's see, did I take a call? So look at the here. So yeah, so you see I got in here and I saw profit, right? It's a call, right? It's a long, yeah, I saw profit. I should have took profit. I got in here. I should have took profit, but I didn't, and I let it go down. You see? So the max profit I saw was $40. Greed. Should have got out. Should have got out. Went from profit of $45 to a loss of $190. Did the trade come back? It looks like it. Yeah, it came back. So but I'm not holding that long. I really realized what type of trader I am. I'm a scalper. I like to get in and get out. I would have had to hold this trade. This was at 3:30, 3:30. Or did it come back? I'm not sure if it came back, but let me look and see what time I got in. I got in at 10:30 to 11:26. So I held this trade for an entire hour. That's not what I do. I don't hold trades that long. So that was already a bad trade for me. Go back to that day. Let's go back to that day. Go to the dashboard, scroll down, and I took 2 trades, right? Yes, I took another one on IWM, another call. I think that was more of another revenge one. I shouldn't have got into that one either. But I did saw it go back up. And I think I got back in on the high day. So bad trade. Anyways, so if we look at this, if we just go over this entire month, I think I've took down some things I need to do. I think I need to hold my trades a little bit longer. Hold my winners a little bit longer, cut my losers a little bit faster, and I think I can get this back to two to 300. I was almost up to $300 in profit. I think if I would have had pretty good days, I probably would have made $300 to $400 in profit for the month. So going into November, I think my plan is to hold the trades a little bit longer. I may start to size in a little bit. I started sizing in at the end of the month around 5 contracts. So sometimes I was buying 1 or 2. That's why you see sometimes in here you'll see I have like $7, $15, because I was probably buying 1 contract just to test out some new strategies. What I want to do is show something really quickly before this gets too long is some of the reports feature of the different types of trades that I take, right? So like I think some of these things can tell me. We go here, we can go to some of the tags, right? So I have this one called IWM Racks 30. That is a type of trade that I take. It is basically a reversal trade, opening liquidity sweep, and it will go back up or down. And that one's been pretty good. So let's see. And that was for October. So October, I took 9 of those, took 9 of the IWM Racks 30s. And if you guys ever want to know what an IWM Rack 30, or I call it 3-bar special, I'm not the inventor of that. Is a person that I know that's in a group I'm in, Racks. I don't think he invented it either, but he brought it to us and our attention, and I've been trading because it works really well. So I can just let you know it works really well. So that one I've made $154 on it. Some of these trades that I took is Ace Trade. I've lost $151 on it. My most active once again is Rack 30. My best win rate was the orb. So I've been also trading the 30-minute orb. Wait to the first 30 minutes of the market opens up. Go down to the 10-minute, wait for a candle closure outside of the orb, and then I wait for that break of that candle. Basically, it's like a 2-2 down, 2-2 up, 2-2 continuation. Break of that candle to be able to get into the orb, and that's been pretty good so far. But as you can see right here, the 30-minute orb on IWM, $53 for the month. Took it on SPY, made $1. So you can see what I really trade for the most part. Um, you can see what IWM took a big L. I got some. I trade mostly IWM, QQQ. I think I'm kind of veering off of SPX because either you're going to win a lot or you're going to get burned a lot with SPX. That's what I learned. I will make $500 a day, and it'll be my biggest days ever, and then I will lose it all the next day. So it's like it makes you greedy too. So that's why I kind of stay down from SPX. But look, even with these, trade by myself. So I'm getting more lenient, being a more independent trader, not dependent on my group. And you can see here, 140, and it's mainly because of this rack 30. That has been my bread and butter, and that has been a godsend for me. So I'm happy for that, and I'm just continue to forward test it and continue to look at the win rate of it. So if we look at 30-minute orb, what is the rack 30 this month? 77%, and it's not bad at all, right? That's pretty good. Trade with myself, 85%. Like my if you look at it, 66%, but it's really just I need to hold the winners longer and let those run, right? I'm cutting them really short or size in on the winners, and then I'm not sizing in on, and I'm sizing in too heavy on the losers. So that is some of the things I need to work on. But let's go back to my dashboard one more time. So once again, guys, I just want to just go over a quick update on what's going on for October 2025 of a retail trader. This is still my first year. I think I've been trading since like May, but I've really taken it more seriously the last like 2 or 3 months and trying to be more independent, trying to be more level-headed. When I get into trade, I find myself sometimes rushing to get out as soon as it touches profit, and I'm not really letting the trade play out on the charts. I'm reading the profit and loss in Webull instead of letting it play out in the chart. So if you want to see how I trade in Webull, let me know. I'll show you how I set up my how I have my system set up to trade in Webull. I use the computer most of the time. I don't really use the phone. I don't like using the phone for trading. I think it's slower and clunkier for me just to even get in on my time. So I have multiple screens for trading in Webull, and I do all of my chart in trading view. So if you want to see how I set up my charts for my 3-bar special or Rack 30 special. I have this new one from 9F. I can link him in the description below as well. He's a really good trader. I look for his setup every morning. Or if you want to know how I trade the strat as well. So I'm a relatively new strat trader. But if you want to know any more information, please let me know in the description. So thank you guys for watching this video once again. I'm just trying to document my journey here, and I'll be back in about a week or two, or next week. I'll try to do like a weekly or bi-weekly update on November. Did I make those changes that I just said for November? So appreciate you guys. Have a good day. Peace.